Hello, excuse me, losing my voice. I am in module number 7, Commercial Internet Research in the Legal Research and Writing 1 course, and I wanted to give you a quick screenshot of how to answer the wiki or the assessment that is in this particular module. So here we go. Here it is. Here's the instructions, the PowerPoint, and let's click Computer Assisted Legal Research. So here is a detailed directions, including a video on how to create the wiki. Okay, you have to read it, and you have to read it all in order to be able to complete this successfully. There are two types of answers or responses that I'm looking for. One is a significant contribution, which is one where the author or the student is giving me a paragraph of information regarding a particular topic. In this case, one of the topics in this commercial internet research section. Then the constructive modification. So say, for instance, Ms. Hudson goes in and drafts 2 paragraphs on Westlaw. Then student A goes in and says, well, hey, there's a little bit more that she missed. Let me add a sentence or 2. Or look, she misspelled a word. Let me fix it. Or she missed a comma. Or let me edit it so that it's better. That's a constructive modification. So students are to do both. One, significantly contribute to the knowledge or the information that's on the wiki page, and then 2, go in there and contribute to one of your peers' previous information. Okay? Then you click launch. Then what do we have here? I have already created the wiki pages, so students don't have to do that. Okay? The wiki pages are topics under computer assisted legal research. So this one here is why is it important to know how to do research using print resources. So student A, who's like, hey, that's an interesting topic, I want to write on it, and goes in there and writes a couple of paragraphs. Or you can do, hey, this is Boolean searches. I remember that from the textbook. Let me go in here and write a paragraph or 2 about Boolean searches and what they're about. So you don't have to click create wiki page. Instead, click edit content and type in your paragraph and click submit. So once you do that, you've done your significant contribution. But if there's nothing there to draft or edit, you can't do the second part, which is the constructive modification. So this is due on Friday. Hopefully this was helpful in helping you navigate what exactly I'm looking for. At the end, what we'll have is this wiki or this page of content that we've built together as a class that's giving you information or giving the reader information on computer assisted legal research. Just like if you were to look it up on Wikipedia or some other internet encyclopedia type resource. So again, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, as usual, give me a call, or actually you can't call me, email me, or we can schedule a one-on-one. Have a great day.